So what we have is a main engined turbo instantaneous failure aboard a bulk iron ore bulk carrier. So what I'll do is I'll take you for a guided tour and explain to you some of the dynamics involved and the amount of damage. And we'll progress to there as to the reasons why this might have occurred. Couple of the housings that have been removed. We've taken the housings off them so that we can get inside and inspect the bearings and also the manifold as well. Take you to where the spline is and show you the rotor and show you what works have been conducted on the rotors so that we can reinstall it. So that's the turbo there, we've pulled that out. So you've got intake and outtake, there's the other end of it. Cut back. These are all bent out of shape. Obviously see which the sides exhaust due to the discoloration in here. Got a hell of a lot of damage on the spline so that we can slide her back in. So we've had to cut all this open them up again and all the grooves up so we can actually slide it back in. Aluminium so that we can do some work on them. But obviously stainless steel's a bit different, it's harder to work with, you can't do it. I'll explain to you the root cause of all of this and why it occurred later on. That gives you a bit of an understanding talking about in terms of the turbo.